Good morning, my name is Julian Caro and you find me here on the Audinate stand on the opening day of ISE 2020 in Amsterdam. I'm standing in front of a demonstration of our Dante AV solution, which is video over IP, all of the goodness and benefits of Dante, but now using delivering video content. Here we have one of the first OEM partners to adopt Dante AV into their portfolio. So we have Bolin, which will be incorporating Dante AV into their pan, tilt and zoom cameras in order to deliver 4K uncompressed video over a network, all controllable through Dante controller with access to the same audio controls that you've come to expect of Dante. You'll see on here we've also got support for infrared, serial and so forth in order to be able to exercise that remote control of a video device supporting Dante AV. The technology is available to manufacturers and we expect OEM products to appear on the market in the middle of 2020. www.audinate.com